Well, there's Jeff. His name's Jeff. You say there's lots of ice here, eh?
Oh yeah, there's like 16, 20 inches of ice.
Okay.
It's crazy.
Nice.
But I'm wondering if maybe we should have brought the kayaks.
Yeah, the kayaks might have done some good out here, eh?
Dude, your arms are gonna die.
I think I just saw a fish surface over there.
Well, I caught 2 crappie and a pike already, so.
Oh, wicked.
But that was over there. But over there, you're not sheltered from the wind.
Yeah, the drive up here, I was getting pushed all around. It's like 90-kilometer gusts right now.
I have all my anchors in, holding onto my tent, and my roof still popped down and hit me in the noggin.
Oh, man. Look at the water draining into the hole. That wind's just coming from every direction. Jeff says that this lake seems to turn on at night. Hopefully we get onto something. Oh, that flag went up again. Super annoying. Since that wind has died down, dude, I think I'm gonna push out to where you said you were catching them before. I'm gonna go and try and find other people's holes because I don't want to drill anymore. Oh, here's some poking holes. Nice. Got another one, nice.
Huh?
You got another one, that's sweet.
Yeah. You got a chair?
Sweet, I got one. First one, let's get back in the hole quickly, just in case they're still down there. I'm gonna bring this one home. I'm gonna try and get a few crappie. Like I said, slabs for supper. Slabs for supper, slabs for supper. On. Nice. Number 2. Ha ha ha, there we go. Nice. Nice. Another one. Sweet. That one's bigger. There we go. Catch us slabs for supper. Yeah. Nice. All right, let's get back down there. Get back down there. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. That's school. That school's in. Well, we didn't get onto a ton of fish, but we still had a great time out there. Good day on the water. End of the ice season pretty much. So maybe that's it. Maybe this is the last video of the season. We'll see. Anyways, if you like that episode, hit that like button, subscribe to see more. We'll catch you later.